Somebody should send. Oh no, John doesn't. I think Sarah gets.
I'm getting a video. Oh, it's just so funny because she has the. Oh, Amy, move that toy out of the way.
This one?
Oh damn.
Look at the kitty. Look at the kitty.
It was funny because she was playing with her. She was playing with her sock.
Oh, look at the kitty. Yeah, the nice kitty.
Can you get a good angle then?
Yeah, I'm recording all of it.
I got a good angle.
I look at she's like pulling the cat and the cat's still being like fine with it.
With her foot. Cute.
The cat like wants to play with her.
Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty.